Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to lesson 3 here on Free Code Camp JavaScript, algorithms and data structures, basic JavaScript. So we're on incrementing a number with JavaScript. So you can easily increment or add 1 to a variable with this plus plus operator. This is the equivalent of doing I equals I plus 1. So the entire line becomes I plus plus, eliminating the need for the equal sign. So this happens after the fact. There's also a plus plus I, which is a pre-increment and then a post increment. So basically, I guess I'll just show this to you guys real quick here in my console. I'll just sort of let you know how it works. So here, if we have a number, and we'll just start it at 1, we can say plus plus num, and then we can console.log num, right? So num is 2, and then we could do num plus plus, right, 2, right, and plus plus 3, so we're getting that, whereas you can sort of see the difference here in what is actually returning. This is going to return back what the current value is, whereas this is a pre-increment, so it's already going to return what's updated. Anyways, so my var should equal 88 and use the plus plus operator. So we'll just do my var plus plus. And let's just see. I wonder, the test should still pass if we do this, but let's just try. So it's probably complaining because of what's returned back from that, but because if we just post this into here, right, we could see what do we get. We see my var is 88, but because of what it's returning, probably. Okay, so good to go. Number 2, decrement a number, same thing. So I'm not going to harp on this. Let's just do minus minus. Let's go ahead and run our test. Number 3, create decimal numbers. JavaScript, create a variable my decimal, give it a decimal number with the fractional part 5.7. So my decimal, var my decimal, should be a number. And it should be 5.7. And let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 4, multiply 2 decimals. So the variable product should equal 5. Okay. And let's see. So what I'm going to do actually is just give this 2.5. Good to go. Divide 1 decimal by another with JavaScript. Change the 0.0 so the quotient will be equal to 2.0. So we're just going to change this 4.0, or sorry, 4.4. There we go. Good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for lesson 3. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me see if this loads. In the next one, we'll be doing finding a remainder of JavaScript with the modulus operator. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the courses on React. And as always, have a great day.